Hey guys. Today we are the Collins twins, and today we are going to make slime. We have two kinds of slime. Let's see what one works. Let's see. Let's get on to the video. Give a big thumbs up and a subscribe. Okay. The first one is water, hand soap, and baking powder. Okay. I got my container. Got my hand soap. And got my baking powder. And first we need to put, hang on, we'll get a little bit of water.
Talk to them when I get water.
Okay, I forgot about the water thing, so shut the door. But our next one is hand soap and salt. So for that one, this is going to be so fun. And that was my twin, and as you already know, I just needed a little bit. I thought that would be that's good. About that much water. Just like a little, like that much. Hi. Like we did it. Okay, water, hand soap. Hand soap time. Well, let's use this one. Yeah, let's use that one. Ooh. Okay. Get our mixer. I forgot about our mixer. Okay, we got hand soap over here, and now we're going to do baking. I haven't opened it. I'm so sorry.
I'm so busy. You paused it. It's paused.
Oh God.
Just push unpaused.
Alright. Well, we got a lot there.
I don't know if this is going to work.
Puff. Time to mix. So far it's not working. Hand soap time.
No, it's enough. Now I need it.
That's enough. Mix that up. Alrighty. It's not so much, kind of, but we need a little more baby powder. Ow. Okay, now let me mix it. Mix it pretty well. Let me see. And when it's done mixing, I'll give it back to you. No, you're going to keep it right here. Gosh. Let me see if it's working. That's a lot here. And there's some on the sides. Get it off the side here. It's turning. Stop turning. Give it to me now.
The whole bottom.
Not the whole bottom. Yeah, that's a lot. Yes. Left. It's working, guys. But it's gonna be chunky. It's called chunky slime. Back. No, we're not allowed to mix it.
It seriously looks like that.
Chunky slime. But I'm just gonna try to touch it.
It's still not like slime.
So more baby powder.
And I think we need salt.
No, we don't. Not salt for this one.
I don't care how you look up to me. Look up to me. Look up to my face. I will never change.
Okay, and we got slime.
This is my big pillow. This is my big.
I'm so happy we have made our slime today.
But you can't touch it.
You can touch it, but
It's gonna be on your hand.
it's gonna get on your hand. Watch. See, I can play with it and everything.
But it gets on your hand.
Yeah, it gets on your hand just a little bit. Okay. Okay, we did that.
You like stuff on your hands like mine. You like stuff on my hands like
Trying to
mine.
go get some more napkins.
And stuff.
Go get some more napkins. We can't make the other slime if we don't have no napkins.
Okay, let me see that.
I said no more mixing. I said stop.
You didn't see that.
Yes, I did. In my mind, I did.
Yeah, that's this slime, but it didn't really work.
It worked.
It kinda, but
It's slime that you can play with, like,
but if you like to be messy, so
yeah, if you like messy.
see, it's on my hands. So
And I'm not letting wipe it on me.
I didn't like it. Okay,
Okay,
on to another slime. This is our gold.
number one slime.
One slime.
Number